What if I told you the secret to investing isn't about picking the hottest stocks, but about controlling your emotions? That's the core idea behind The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is considered one of the greatest investing guides ever written, and its lessons are still used by top investors today. Here are 5 powerful takeaways from The Intelligent Investor, and the last one can completely change how you handle market crashes, so make sure you stick till the end. Takeaway number 1. Investing is not speculation. Most people treat the stock market like a casino, chasing quick profits. But real investing is about buying businesses based on their long-term value. If you're trying to get rich quickly, you're not investing. You're gambling. Takeaway number 2. Meet Mr. Market. Graham describes the market as a person called Mr. Market. Every day, he offers to buy or sell stocks at different prices. Sometimes he's optimistic, sometimes he's fearful. Your job is not to follow him, but to take advantage of him. Buy when prices are low, and ignore the noise when prices are irrational. Takeaway number 3. Have a margin of safety. This is one of the most important concepts. Always invest with a cushion, meaning buy stocks below their true value. So even if things go wrong, you're protected. It's about reducing risk, not chasing returns. Takeaway number 4. Control your emotions. The biggest enemy in investing is not the market. It's you. Fear makes you sell at the worst time. Greed makes you buy at the worst time. Successful investors stay calm and stick to their strategy. Takeaway number 5. Think long-term. The market will go up and down in the short term, but over time, strong investments grow. Patience is what separates average investors from wealthy ones. When others panic, long-term investors stay focused. And that's where real wealth is built. If you enjoy simple breakdowns of powerful money books, consider subscribing, because we turn complex ideas into practical strategies you can actually use. The biggest lesson from The Intelligent Investor is simple. Don't try to beat the market every day. Focus on discipline, patience, and smart decisions over time. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.